Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to dive right into how to use teamwork.com for data analysis and reporting. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your teamwork.com account and navigate to the Projects section. This is where all your data is stored and organized. Now, the reason we do this is because this section provides a comprehensive overview of all your projects, making it easier to analyze and report on your data. Next up, you'll want to use the filter function to narrow down your data. Simply click on the filter option and select the parameters you want to analyze. Maybe you want to see the progress of tasks assigned to a particular team member, or the status of tasks within a certain project. This helps us because it allows us to focus on specific data points, making our analysis more targeted and effective. Once you've filtered your data, it's time to generate a report. Head over to the Reports tab and select New Report. Here, you can customize the type of report you want to generate based on your filtered data. You can choose to include details like task status, time logged, and project progress. The reason we do this is to convert raw data into a readable format that can be easily interpreted and shared with others. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. By generating a report, you're not just compiling data, you're transforming it into valuable insights that can drive decision-making and strategy. And there you have it. That's how you use teamwork.com for data analysis and reporting. As you can see, the platform offers powerful tools for managing, analyzing, and reporting on your project data. So, wrap things up. Remember that the key is to know what data you need, use filters to narrow down your focus, and then convert this data into a comprehensive report. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of data analysis and reporting on teamwork.com. Until next time, happy analyzing.